Hey, welcome guys. In this video I am going to show you the best settings of Bullish Tech 5 emulator for low-end PC. By following this tutorial, you can easily fix any kind of lags and you will enjoy the best gaming experience of this emulator. At first, let's make your PC ready for Bullish Tech 5. Just right click on an empty space of taskbar. Open the task manager. You can also type task manager directly in this search bar and you will get this app. Anyways, now click on performance and make sure you are in CPU option. Then look for if your virtualization is enabled or disabled here. In fact, it has a huge impact on any emulator to run any Android apps. If it is disabled in your case, don't worry, I have another video on how to enable this virtualization. And you will find that video in the video description and also in the first comment. But for now, let's see other settings. In the next step, type power plan in this search bar and click on choose a power plan. Here, click on create a power plan. Then choose high performance option. This will make sure that your system will use maximum resources for the best performance of your emulator. Now give it a name and click on next. Finally, click on create. Alright, we are done here. Now open your Bluestacks app. And also make sure there is no other apps are opened in the background, not even your browser. Close all other programs before you open Bluestacks. But if you are using another app in the background for any reason, then go to Task Manager again. This time go to Detail option and find out the Bluestacks player icon. Now right click on it, go to Set Priority and set it above normal and close it. So guys, if you are using only Bluestacks, I mean no other programs are opened in your background, then you need not to change these priority settings. Hope you got it. Now go to Bluestacks settings. Here we will work on only first three options: performance, display and graphics. Because changing other settings here will not improve your emulator performance or will not fix any kind of lags. Anyways, let's work with performance first. This is the most important settings for your emulator. The first option here is CPU. Actually, it's your processor. Try to give at least 2 cores of your CPU. But if you have a 4-core processor, then go to custom and give it 3 cores. And in case of RAM, give it at least 2GB for good performance. And same goes with the RAM if you have a 4GB RAM. Go to custom and give it 3. Well, it all depends on your system configuration. But I am here showing you the settings for low-end PC. If you have better configuration, then simply give it more. Now in case of performance mode, you should set the high performance here. Now frame rate. This also depends on your overall system configuration. If you have at least a 3-core processor and 4GB RAM, then try to keep it 60 FPS for the smooth gameplay. I think you should test your gameplay, and if you face any kind of lags, then reduce it to 30 FPS. But you may not get a good visual experience in 30 FPS, remember it. And do not enable any of these 3 options for a low-end PC. Now go to display option. Keep it landscape for your good gaming experience. The display resolution should be at least 1280 x 720 for the better gaming experience. But if your system is very low and you are using 30 FPS, moreover if you are facing lags in this resolution, only then choose 960 x 540 resolution. And the pixel density should be also 240 dpi for the good gaming experience. But for a very low system configuration, again you may choose 160 dpi here. And mouse cursor doesn't have an impact on your emulator performance. Anyways, now go to graphics option. Keep the graphics engine mode performance. And keep OpenGL in graphics renderer. In interface renderer, keep it auto here. But disable this ASTC texture option for your low-end PC. And only enable this GPU in use option if you have a dedicated graphics card like NVIDIA. otherwise keep it disabled. That's all guys. These are the best settings of Bullish Tech 5 for a low-end PC. So test your gameplay to find out which settings work out for your system, as different settings can work better for different system configuration. You should take this video like a guideline. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and just stay tuned.